everyone, today I am with another topic of population ecology, that is population age structure or population age pyramid that help us to determine current reproductive status in a population. This is Gayatri, welcome back to BioSchool. Today's video is all about population age structure, what is population age pyramid, types of age pyramids, and at last we are going to solve say assignment questions. Please stay tuned. Everyone, today I am with another topic of population ecology, that is population age structure and age pyramid. What is population? We all know that population is a group of interbreeding individuals occupying a given area in a given time. Then what is population ecology? Population ecology, it is used to study the population growth, and the population growth rate, it is estimated from birth rate, that is from natality, death rate, which is known as mortality, age distribution or the age structure, and from the size of population. I have videos on natality rate, mortality rate, exponential growth rate, logistic growth rate, and dispersion of population, and you will find the link in my description box. What is population age structure? In most population, you will find individuals of different age groups. The portion of individuals in each age group in a population is called as the age structure of that population. Then what is the age structure? There are basic three age groups are found in a population. These are pre-reproductive age groups, reproductive age groups, and post-reproductive age groups. Pre-reproductive age group means the individuals from birth to age 14. Reproductive, that is from 15 to 49, and post-reproductive is 52 till death. This is as per the World Health Organization. So the ratio of various age groups in a population that determine the current reproductive status of the population. Okay. So current reproductive status of a population we can determine from the ratio of various age groups. If in a population most of the individuals are in pre-reproductive age, then population is likely to grow in near future. However, if most of the individuals are in post-reproductive age, then the population size, it will be decreased. Then what is population pyramid? Population pyramid is also known as the age gender pyramid, and it is the graphical illustration that shows the distribution of various age groups in a population. Okay. In simple word, we can say that population pyramid is the graphical representation of population age structure, and it forms the shape of a pyramid. That's why it is known as population pyramid. In a population pyramid, population size is depicted on x-axis. Okay, this is the x-axis which represents the population size, whereas y-axis it represents the age, and males are shown on the left and females are on right. Males are represented in the blue color, whereas females are represented in pink in color. Now comes to types of population pyramid. There are four types of population pyramid. The stage 1 is expanding at a higher rate, stage 2 is expanding but at a slower rate, and stage 3 is stationary population pyramid, and stage 4 is contracting or declining population pyramid. Let's know more details about each type of pyramid. So the first one, in the stage 1, the birth rate is higher. Okay, and there is a rapid fall in each age group, okay, because of high death rate, and that leads to very short life expectancy. Okay, so in the expanding or the stage 1 population pyramid, where the rate of birth is higher as well as the rate of death is also higher. and that leads to very low or very short life expectancy. Okay. Now comes to the second stage. Here you can see the birth rate is higher, but the death rate is fall as compared to the stage 1. Okay. So the life expectancy is slightly longer. Now the stage 3, that is the stationary stage. In the stationary stage, there is a declining in the birth rate. Birth rate is little bit declining as compared to that of other two stages like expanding stages. Okay, and death rate is also low. Birth rate is little low as well as the death rate is also low. So that leads to the stationary population pyramid. Then the fourth one is contracting or declining pyramid. In declining pyramid, the birth rate is very low, okay, as compared to other pyramid structures, and death rate is also low. Okay, here the birth rate is low as well as the death rate. So that leads to longer life expectancy. From this graph, you can observe that if the baseline is expanded, then that is higher birth rate. If it is narrow, then the birth rate is declining. Okay. Now we will see the previous year CSR UGC NET question. This question was asked in the year 2017 December, and it carries 4 marks. Okay, it is the 4-mark question. Let's see the question. Given below are the population pyramids of 3 different populations A, B, C, depicting the relationship between birth and death rates in each. Okay, let's see. Based on the population pyramid given above, which one of the following is incorrect? Okay, it's asking about the which of the following option is incorrect. Okay, so before answering any question, you should read the question twice. Let's see what are the options. Option A, population B has slower growth rate than population A. Okay, it says that population B has slower growth rate than population A. What do you guess? Is correct? Yes, it's correct, because here the birth rate is declining. So this one is correct option. Population C has birth rate higher than its death rate. Population C has higher birth rate. No, population C has lower birth rate than its death rate. Okay, so this one is incorrect. Let's see the option C and D. Population A represents a rapidly growing population. Yes, it represents a rapidly growing population because the birth rate is higher as compared to the death rate. So this one is also correct. Option D, population B has highest death rate among the 3 population. Population B has highest death rate as it has declined. Okay, so this one is also correct. So which one is the incorrect option? Incorrect option is option B. So for this question, the correct answer is option B. You should not skip population ecology. This is very simple and it carries 4 marks. Thank you for watching my video, and I guess it will be helpful for you. If you like this video, then please don't forget to share and subscribe with your friends.